You want something that looks better than those old ramen noodle curtain carpet looking beards that obscure your face and you don't even look remotely authentic and just shows your eyes and it's just awful. So expect to pay anywhere between $50 to $200 for a decent set. And factor number 2 is, what look would you like to have? Do you want to start out with hair pieces made from human or yak hair? They both look great, but will they match your vision that you have of representing Santa Claus? And also, depending on where you go, prices can vary. Human hair is a bit coarser, but looks authentic. Yak hair gives a more fairy tale look, which I have come to adore. Custom pieces in both, sold in the US, can go up to $2,000 a set, depending on how big or how thick you want it. But there are some other alternatives you can consider until you have the budget to consider spending that much on a set. Now, I'm going to share what has worked well for me because my budget for starting out as a Santa Claus representative was very small. Very small. For getting a good beard, I wasn't going to spend more than $80. I ended up bleaching my hair, which cost a bit, but I did it at home, thank the Mrs. Claus, but only added another $30 more because of that. I found a nice white human hair lace-backed beard on eBay actually, from someone who was making Duck Dynasty beards of different colors.